Which sad light is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Ehrlich Pout UV-Free Daylight Lamp. The Ehrlich Pout UV-Free 10,000 Lux Daylight Lamp. Priced at just $11.72, it caught my attention with its touch control and sleek design. If you're looking for an affordable option to brighten your day, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This lamp emits 10,000 lux of light, mimicking natural sunlight, which can help combat those winter blues or seasonal affective disorder. The touch control allows you to customize brightness from 30% to 100%, so you can set the perfect mood whether you're working or relaxing. Plus, with a timer function, you can set it for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Now, some people complained about the build quality being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's not a deal breaker. If you just want something functional without breaking the bank, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution to improve your mood. Skip this one if you prefer a more durable, higher-end lamp. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the build quality concerns you, the next product might be a better fit for your needs.
Product number 2, Suxio Light Therapy Lamp. The Suxio Light Therapy Lamp, priced at $19.99. What stood out to me was its memory function and multiple timer settings. If you like a more personalized experience, this could be your go-to. This lamp also emits 10,000 lux and features 3 brightness modes, meaning you can start off with a softer light and gradually increase it. This is great for those mornings when you just need a little gentle encouragement to get out of bed. And with its portable design and 49-inch USB cable, taking your mood boost on the go is super convenient. However, some users have reported that it can shut down unexpectedly if not used with the right power adapter. Here's the thing, while that can be frustrating, it's easily avoidable if you stick to the recommended adapter. This is perfect for you if you want portability and customization in your light therapy. Skip this one if you want something that's fully plug and play without any fuss. It's a solid investment for your mental wellness. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent use in your home.
Product number 3, Last Star Sun Lamp. The Last Star Sun Lamp retailing for $29.99. This lamp really caught my eye with its adjustable color temperatures and multiple brightness settings. If you want flexibility in your light therapy, this is definitely worth considering. The Last Star lamp mimics natural sunlight with 10,000 lux and offers 5 different brightness levels and 4 color temperatures. This means you can create the exact atmosphere you need, whether you're looking for a warm glow or a bright, energizing light. Plus, it has a timer function that turns off after your set time, which is a handy feature. Some users mentioned that the lamp can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, that extra size allows for better light distribution, which means a more effective therapy session. This is perfect for you if you want the ability to customize your lighting for different moods. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact. It's a worthwhile investment for enhancing your well-being daily. Now, if you want something that's a little more advanced and powerful, the next product might just blow you away.
Product number 4, Geesint Light Therapy Lamp. Priced at $44.96. The standout feature here is the remote control, which adds a layer of convenience. If you're looking for ease of use, this might be the one for you. Delivering 10,000 lux of light and a high color rendering index, this lamp mimics natural daylight beautifully. The 360-degree design ensures that you get an even light distribution, which is great for larger spaces. With multiple color settings and a timer that can shut the lamp off automatically, it provides a lot of control over your light therapy sessions. However, some customers mentioned that it can be a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing, that weight contributes to its stability, which is a plus if you plan to use it frequently. This is perfect for you if you want advanced features and ease of use. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and portable. The price point reflects its quality and effectiveness. Finally, if you're serious about making light therapy a part of your daily routine, the next product is a top contender.
Product number 5, Carex Daylight Classic Plus. The Carex Daylight Classic Plus at $109.99. This lamp is more of an investment, but it's designed for serious light therapy users. If you're committed to improving your mood and energy levels, this one deserves your attention. With its 10,000 lux output at just 12 inches away, it's built to deliver effective light therapy. It features adjustable height and brightness, which means you can tailor it to your specific needs. Plus, it's designed based on recommendations from experts, adding an extra layer of trust in its effectiveness. Now, some people might find the price a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about light therapy, the durability and effectiveness can justify that cost in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want clinical strength light therapy at home. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual light. It's a solid investment in your mental health and well-being. Now, let's quickly summarize what we've seen.
So there you have it. The Ehrlich palette lamp is the budget-friendly option. The SUXO offers portability. The Last Star gives you versatility. The G-Scent provides advanced features. And the Carex Daylight is for serious users. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find the right light to brighten your day.